I am Dr. Murli. 29th of October is observed as World Stroke Day. This day is aimed to create awareness towards this condition, the stroke. Stroke devastates a person's life. Not just the individual, but the family and the society bears the brunt. Stroke is very similar to a heart attack. The conditions are almost same except that stroke occurs in the brain. When there is an abrupt blockage of blood supply to the brain, a person experiences stroke. Unlike a heart attack, where it is more dramatic, a person develops severe chest pain, excessive sweating, difficulty to breathe, and a feeling of impending death. They know that they have to reach a medical center immediately. Whereas in a stroke, it is more often silent. Pain is not the presenting symptom. A person can silently lapse into unconsciousness or coma, or develop weakness in the limbs, the hands and legs, or develop difficulty to speak or slurring of speech. Sometimes it can be just visual blurring or difficulty to see. More often, these symptoms are so subtle that they are missed by the individual or the bystanders. And even when recognized, the awareness that this could be a devastating stroke doesn't exist. Secondly, even if they are aware that this could be a stroke, the general tendency is to wait and watch. Let's wait for some time to see whether the improvement occurs. That is where this awareness drive aims to, the concept of golden hour. Today, in 2020, stroke is reversible. A person doesn't need to lead a lifelong misery. If a person experiencing stroke reaches a stroke ready center in the golden hour, the entire stroke can be reversed. The golden hour means it's up to 3 hours. With latest technology, this 3 hours has been extended to 6 hours and in few cases up to 12 hours. A stroke ready center is one which has a 24/7 service of emergency, an in-house MRI scan to diagnose stroke, a well-equipped neuro ICU to initiate clot dissolving drugs, the thrombolysis, and a cath lab. A cath lab is similar to what a cardiac angiogram is done. A brain angiogram can be performed and mechanically the clot can be removed up to 6 hours, in some cases up to 12 hours. This stroke ready hospital aims to completely recover the stroke in 24 hours time. But for those individuals who miss the golden hour, it's a long-term treatment. They need a long-term rehabilitation strategy and medications. So recognize your stroke ready hospital which is nearest to you.